Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. Today is a quick project share for Smash Our Stash. Smash Our Stash is a super fun collaboration that Bourbon Creek Crafts and actually Fresh and Renewed with Teresa long ago started it, and Teresa has faded out, but Beth has kept it going from Bourbon Creek Crafts. And there's a theme every month on what to use. And I got lucky this month because my friend Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa sent me this paper. Cool thing, you might have already heard me talk about it. She designs this paper. She designed it for the Not Too Shabby shop. In my recent updates video the other day, I talked about that, so I'm going to skip that. But she said that when this paper came to life, she knew that I would love it. And of course, the minute I saw it in a share, I was like, oh, I have to have it. It was in my stash, so I think it counted. It wasn't exactly a stale item, but oh my gosh. What I did this month was I did Call Me Crafty Owl's sheet load with this paper. When I saw this month's sheet load, that's a fun fold card, I thought, that's a little complex for me and I'm kind of lazy. I'm probably gonna simplify it. But these papers deserve an amazing card. And I didn't stamp on the inside. I didn't put any messages. I wanted these to be about the paper. And that's why I used dies instead of a large piece of paper that I stamped on. I really didn't want to give up any extra patterned paper. And I love the floral on this. Look at this. This dog is from the cut aparts in the collection. And Teresa, I'm going to need some more dogs. Maybe some cats laying in some blue flowers, something like that. This one, I had a vinyl thanks. It's kind of fun because it has some shine to it. The red's a little off, but Teresa's paper has enough reds and enough blues that you can use just about anything. So I really like this. And the truck is from the cut aparts also. And one thing that I noticed in using paper designed by a paper crafter, and I wanted to thank Teresa for, there isn't a lot of directional paper here. It's very flexible. You can do all sorts of things with it. You know how if you want to use a certain design, you get something in your head and then it doesn't go the right way. I needed a Father's Day card and I had this dainty die cut that someone had sent me sitting on the counter, so I decided to go for it with this. Thinking of you. Thank you. And a ladybug. Her head doesn't show very well on camera, but she does have a head. Now here's what I did. In these cards, you'll see the sheet loads from Call Me Crafty Owl. And then this is from Jess Crafts. This was one of her templates like 2 years ago. I think it's like number 6 or number 9. 2-inch by 3-inch pieces of paper. Heck yeah. And it really shows them. I'm not that into white space. Doing something like this is a stretch for me, but I really wanted to show off the gorgeous patterns. I didn't smash because you're going to see a funny thing. Have you ever gone through a collection and you used up the papers that you loved, that were your favorites? I did something a little bit tricky here. I used some of the ones I didn't totally love for this back layer, and then I saved ones that I love. Okay, this one, absolutely. This one, look at this. And then this, oh, this is pretty. And I love this because it ties all the colors together and it'll go really nice with gold. And then this has the cut apart, so I might want to use a couple more of those. I took the dogs off already. And then this one, right? And then it has a floral on the back. I saved these because I want these. This guy needs to go in my July daily. So what I did was I said, whoops, we're going to stop now. And I'm going to keep these scraps and I'm going to make pockets or tip outs or embellishments for my July daily. I'm just going to put them right into the kit for that. And then if I don't use them all for that, I could put them in my red, white, and blue stash. I actually have a bin of red, white, and blue because depending on when I get my July daily journal made, I might not want to make any more this year. I'm not sure. I don't like to make too many red, white, and blue because I probably won't give out a red, white, and blue birthday card in December. When I made these cards, I was specifically thinking of things that I needed in my stash. I have a couple right around July 4th and July 4th birthdays. So I have 2 feminine birthday cards here, and I need some thanks. I am terribly, many of you know, behind on my Happy Mail thank yous, and I'm still a little short on miss you. The dog, this one doesn't have any sentiment at all, but oh my gosh, this is fabulous for anything. And then Father's Day. So that's how I chose my sentiments. Be sure to check out what other people did for Smash Our Stash this month. This month is a kit, a collection, or a pad. Obviously, the choices could have been anything in my room, but this paper said you definitely want to play with this. And in fact, I'll probably order another one because I think I want to have one in my stash. Is that a Smash Our Stash rule breaking thing? I don't know. No rules, right? All right. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the links in the description so you can see what the other collaborators put together this month. Bye-bye.